right, we are set for the first of the Wiener Dog Races of the day. The rules are simple. Every race is 25 meters. The top two from each division will make it to the final. We are here to figure out who will be the fastest in Fort Erie, the king of the canines. Race 1 is Oscar McAllister, Penny, Oscar, Thor, Bo, Ella, Ginger, Lil Bow Wow, Liberty, Varya. So we are getting ready for the first. There they go. Oscar McAllister way out in front on the inside. Thor made a good run, but Oscar McAllister definitely the winner. Waiting for our official placings. Okay, we have our order for race 1. The winner was the 1, Oscar McAllister. Second was the 4, Thor. And third was number 9, Liberty. So Oscar McAllister and Thor will move on to the final. The competition is heating up as we go into the second heat. The race 2 field is Liam, Manny, Stella, Penelope, Penny, Boston Buckaroo, Kiwi, Max, Peppy, Poppy Lou, Sammy, and Thor. Top 2 will make it to the final. There's a lot at stake here. Another thrilling contest coming our way in the Fort Erie 2024 Wiener Dog Championship. Almost set. Thor almost got away from his handler. And we're all ready for the start. Race 2. There they go. Max broke really good. Thor on the outside. Oh, I think Thor might have got there. He took a bit of a right-hand turn at the end. We had a few non-starters. Liam and Penelope both went the wrong direction. Thor feeling so good, he wants to go back and do it again. Poppy Lou also with a lot of energy. So we're waiting for our race 2 order, seeing who moves on to the Grand Championship. Okay, the winner was number 8, Max. Second was the 12, Thor. And third was number 10, Poppy Lou. So Max and Thor advanced to the final. And the dogs are coming up for race 3. Race 3 is Frankie, Jane of Arc, Polly Pocket, Moose, Walter, Ozzy Osbone, Phoebe, Wellington, Welly, Abacus, Frank the Tank, and Freddie. Those are your 12 for round 3. And the dogs for race 3 are getting into line. There they go. Jane of Arc went rolling. Here comes Ozzy Osbourne. Ozzy Osbourne really fast. I think Ozzy Osbourne won, Jane of Arc, and maybe Moose was third. But Ozzy Osbourne, rapid in the final 10 meters. So stand by for the race 3 order. All right, order for race 3. The winner was 6, Ozzy Osbourne. Second, the 4, Moose. And third, number 7, Phoebe. So Ozzy Osbourne and Moose going to move on to the final. Only 2 more qualifying heats left before the mixed breed race, and then race 8 will be the Grand Championship. Slots for the grand final are filling up quickly. All right, and the pups for race 4 are coming on now. Race 4 is Eric, Flynn, Henry, Kiwi, Love, Stevie, Tiki, Bjorn Oliver Ironside, Clark, Paco, Olive, and Stella. Got a lot of younger pups in this race, a lot of 1- and 2-year-olds. Top 2 will move on to the final. And the race 4 dogs are getting into line. Almost set for the 4th. There they go. Love was up really well. I think Love was the winner. Second's going to be close. Might have been Kiwi. It might have been Clark. I'm not really sure from this angle. For order, the winner was 5, Love. Second was the 4, Kiwi. And third, number 6, Stevie. So Love and Kiwi will be moving on to the final. And turning the page to race 5. Only 2 more qualifying heats left. All right, race 5 is coming out on track. Race 5 is Louie, Milo, Molly Dolly, Riley, Stella Artois, Teddy, Timmy, Alice, Daisy, Elliot Moose, Winnie, and Peanut. We have a lot of babies here, a lot of 1- and 2-year-olds. There they go. Riley got a good start. Elliott Moose down the outside. Daisy also there. I think it was Elliott Moose or Daisy. Riley got off really well, but made a bit of a left-hand turn, got distracted halfway down the track. Had a couple of non-starters. Louie and Milo didn't really get going. So stand by for the race 5 order. Race 5 was the 10, Elliott Moose. Second was the 9, Daisy, and third was the 7, Timmy. So Elliott Moose and Daisy, the next two to make it to the finals. One more qualifying heat left before the mixed breed race.
Just want to say thanks everybody for coming, and we're having a lot of fun, and I want to thank our sponsors. We have some really great sponsors who've been with us since day one. We have the Pet Food Outlet, who donates all these incredible prizes. We have Dave McMahon's Dog Training Academy, who donates the trophies for the winners and all that kind of stuff. And then we have our brand new merchandise sponsor this year, Minor Bros. They're here. They made these lovely new shirts that you see that we're selling over at customer service. So we're going to get going in just a second, and then we're going to resume with the last race. And while I got you, don't forget we have more dog races coming up later this year. August 18th, we got the Basset Hounds coming back. And then for the first time ever, we're bringing in a third race. We're going to have Corgis this year. Corgi races are filling up fast. We're going to have a lot of fun. The Corgi races are going to be awesome. So make sure everyone comes back out on August 18th. Mark your calendars.
6 dogs are coming out now. Race 6 is Coco, Dash, Doug, Eugene, Foxy, Francis, Frankie, Hank, Ted Schmidt, Lambo, Lily, and Winnie. This is the last qualifying heat. Then we'll have the mixed breed race, and then we'll move on to the grand final. The top 2 from the 6 qualifiers will race in the final for all of the glory that comes with the Fort Erie Wiener Dog Races. And the race 6 dogs are getting in line. And everybody's almost set for race 6, the final qualifying heat. All right, countdown for the start. There they go. Oh, it's Doug down the outside, and Ted Schmidt also pretty fast. Francis was right there. That was a pretty close one. Let's wait for our race 6 order. Very competitive dash. The winner was number 9, Ted Schmidt. Second was the 6, Francis. And third was number 3, Doug. That was my pick. So Ted Schmidt and Francis are going to move on to the final. Okay, the mixed breed race is coming out onto the track now. The mixed breed race has Arthur, Chantilly Lace, Daisy May, Ellie Mae, Izzy, Jack, Ludi, Serafina, Tequila, Mimi, Hazel, and Maui. Okay, the mixed breed dogs are getting lined up. Everyone's almost set for race 7. Getting ready for a set. Countdown is on. There we go. Chantilly Lace broke really good. She's the fastest again. It's Chantilly Lace. Ellie Mae raced really well. I think Hazel might have been third. Chantilly Lace is just rapid, though. Order for race 7, the winner was 2, Chantilly Lace. Second was the 4, Ellie Mae. Third was the 8, Serafina. Now we're moving on to the grand finals. The highlight of the day, the highlight of these young dogs' lives, the Fort Erie 2024 Wiener Dog Championship. Here is the field for race 8, the grand championship. The Fort Erie 2024 grand finale for the Wiener Dog Races, the best of the best, the finest Fort Erie has to offer. Who will be King Canine? We have Thor, Ozzy, Oscar, May, Moose, Kiwi, Thor, Love, Daisy, Elliot Moose, Ted, and Francis. So that was Max, not May. 2 Thors in the field. Everybody's almost set. Everybody looking for their place in Fort Erie racetrack history. Oh, we've had a false start. We've had a false start. Somebody was a little too eager. I think that might have been Francis who got a little ahead of himself, or Thor. Yeah, Thor in the orange. Okay, we are back at the start. Everybody's in line. Everybody's ready. Countdown is on. There we go. Moose was really good. Here comes Oscar and Ozzy. I think Ozzy, really competitive final. I don't know if it was Ozzy. It might have been Moose. I think Oscar was right there. Wide open. The best race of the day. The best dogs Fort Erie has to offer. Did not disappoint in a thrilling finale. There might have been a little bit of interference there at the finish. I don't know. That's up to the stewards. Awaiting the final results for race 8. Okay, the order of finishes in. The winner was number 1, Thor. Second was number 7, Thor, so it was a Thor exactor. And third was the 8, Love. So it's 1 Thor, 7 Thor, 8 Love. Thor, the champion of the Fort Erie 2024 Wiener Dog Races. His name will be etched in stone.
Okay, we're here with the 2024 winner, Thor. Unbelievable. 2 Thors. Thor's first, Thor's second. 72 dogs. 2 Thors end up with the winner, but we have our first place winner here, Thor. They have won a year's supply of dog food thanks to Nutrim and our amazing sponsors, the Pout Flu outfit. You guys, where are you guys from?
Welland.
Welland. And is this your first time in the races?
No, we've done all the races actually.
Oh, wow. So how did you do in some of the other ones?
So his first year, he ended up in the outfield. He was very young. I think the second year he got second. The third year he placed fourth, and then last year he got third.
So steady improvement all the way up to the grand prize. Awesome. Well, thanks so much for joining us. That was a great race. Congratulations again to Thor. And thanks again to our amazing, amazing, amazing sponsors, the Pet Food Outlet, Dave McMahon and Minor Bros. They do so much for us, and they ask nothing in return. And don't forget, you can come back out on August 18th. Corgi races. The Basset Hounds will be here. We'll see you then. Thanks, everybody.